I don't have like a final dish in mind yet, but I know what to do to the individual elements. I'm going to juice one carrot and cook the other carrot in its own juice. I'll probably start to break down the chicken, use the breast to do quick Boudin Blanc.
Boudin Blanc is just a French term for a sausage without a casing, made from chicken breast, cream, egg whites, seasoned with salt and pepper. I juice the carrot and I cook the carrot's own juices, so you get double the flavor. And I cook it in a very classic French way. Go. Lunch comes to me and I'm just thinking that let's be friendly, let's help, even though it is a competition to decide who is the best cook.
Thank you very much, I think it's enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
I look up at the clock and I just wonder, where did all the time go? 20 minutes into the challenge, I'm still having difficulty thinking of what the final dish is going to look like. All I can do right now is work on the ingredients, on the elements that are already on the stove, and hope that something, gets in. I'm just thinking a very simple presentation.
The next dish we would like to taste, Leong.
Based off the looks itself, I know that I've got something that stands out. Does it stand out enough to please the judges? I don't know.
Tell us what you've cooked.
I cooked a Boudin Blanc with carrots vichy, a corn puree, crispy chicken skin, and a chicken jus that also incorporates some of the sweetened carrot juices.
Leong, I really like the fact that you make the Boudin Blanc. The idea of cooking carrot in carrot juice, I love it. But I find that you're not putting enough carrot juice to cover the carrot. Because you're talking about vichy style carrot, it has to be sliced. It means the juice has been covered. But this time, because you keep it in chunk, I think some part of the carrot is not cooked.
I can tell you know your classics. Your Boudin Blanc and the crispy skin is fantastic. Here the idea to incorporate nori is a brilliant idea, and it gives a nice hot flavor which I really love. Everything together, when you have this one bite, I think it's a brilliant dish.
Very well done.
Well done.
Thank you, chefs.